So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select the option Location. Under Location, tap on Location Services. And then from here, scroll until you find Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. So you can see I have Wi-Fi scanning here and Bluetooth scanning here with toggles next to them. Both of these options are currently enabled, so if I ever want to disable them, all I need to do is just tap on the toggle and both features will be turned off. This means that now my phone will stop automatically scanning for any nearby Wi-Fi networks or any Bluetooth devices. So if I ever want to scan for those, I have to do that manually. If you want to turn them back on, just tap on the toggles and now it will start scanning for any nearby networks or Bluetooth devices automatically. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using these features on your Galaxy A56. Once you've made your changes, you can just exit the Settings app and they'll be applied onto your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.